In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WordPress header in just 5 minutes. We all know that customization is key to making your website stand out, and the header is one of the first things visitors see. So let's dive into how you can make those crucial edits quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is our starting point where we'll access all the tools necessary to tweak your site's header. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the login button. Give that a click to move ahead. If you face any challenges logging in, remember that there's often help options or password recovery tools right there as well. After clicking on login, you'll see an option to continue using Google. This step makes the process much smoother since most of us have Google accounts, avoiding the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Choose your Google account when prompted. With that one click, you're almost there. Next, let's navigate through the WordPress dashboard to access your site. On the right panel, you'll encounter a section called Quick Links. Here, you'll find an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. This brings you directly into the site editor where most of the magic happens. Now you'll need to select your website. There might be several sites displayed there if you manage more than one, so ensure you're picking the correct one. This action will bring up the editing interface tailored for your specific site. Finally, let's focus on editing the header. Again, look at the right panel, the place where all the editing tools are at your disposal. Within this panel, there is a specific option for editing the header. This is where you can make changes to things like the header image, logo, layout, or even the menu structure. You might want to explore changing colors, adjusting fonts, or even adding a unique tagline that reflects your website's personality. Remember that changes can always be previewed before making them live, so feel free to experiment a bit here. This feature lets you test out different styles to see what fits best without committing right away. That was a comprehensive walkthrough on editing your WordPress header quickly. It's always a good idea to occasionally revisit these settings as your site evolves, keeping it fresh and aligned with your brand's identity. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in customizing your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips.